She's Peppa Pig, she's Peppa Pig.
I am Peppa Pig. I live in a yellow house on a hill, and who could ask for more? I have a teddy and we have a fish, and George has a dinosaur. With Daddy Pig and Mummy Pig, we learn and we explore. We're happy as can be in our family.
Oh, Peppa Pig, Peppa Pig.
Oh, I'm a bit of an expert.
It's Peppa Pig, it's Peppa Pig.
I'm working on my computer.